Any doubt in first?
Sir, that question fourth part, I have
One
doubt.
minute, 1 minute. Okay, first question, anyone doubt? Okay, second
Sir, I
one.
have doubt in fourth part.
First part, which part?
Sir, fourth part, first question, fourth part.
First, fourth part. Okay, first, fourth. Okay, second question, any doubt? Second question. Okay, third one, third question, any doubt? Those we have discussed in class. Okay, fourth, fourth question. Fourth question, any doubt? Okay, fifth question. Fifth question,
Sir,
any doubt?
yes, sir, I
Yes.
have. Sir, I
Fourth
have.
or fifth? Which question?
Fifth.
Fifth question, okay. Fourth question, anyone have doubt? Everyone have solved fourth question.
Yes, sir, I have doubt. Fourth.
Which question? Fourth.
Sir,
Okay.
fourth part, question number four.
Question number fourth. Okay. So first one, first fourth. Fourth. It is given 3a minus 1 upon a. Its cube we have to take. Okay. So somewhere in expansion you make some mistake. Okay. A not equal to 0. That is the condition is provided. Its cube we have to take. So 3a minus 1 upon a whole cube. It will be what? Its cube 3a cube minus 1 upon a cube, then minus 3ab, 3 into 3a into 1 upon a, then 3a minus 1 upon a. This we have studied a minus b the whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. This was the expansion. This was the expansion. You can check on page number 58. A minus b the whole cube. Okay. So this is the most basic. From this we can derive a minus 1 upon a whole cube. So we must remember this equation. This identity we must remember. Okay. From this only this one is derived. Okay. This is clear. Now 3 cube how much? 1 upon a get cancelled, 9, 3a minus 1 upon a. Further we can open the bracket, 27a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 27a plus 9 upon a. Have you got this answer? Krishna, have you got this answer? Check it where you make the mistake. Okay. This is clear. Somewhere plus minus mistake or somewhere here you may have make mistake. Somewhere here maybe possible. Okay. First fourth is clear. This is clear. Okay. Fourth one. Fourth one. Fourth question. Fourth question, a plus 1 upon a. A plus 1 upon a equal to p, where a not equal to 0. Condition is provided. And we have to prove or show that. We have to show that a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Okay. This equal to p into p cube minus 3p. P square. P square minus 2. 3 or 2. 3. This we have to prove. This you have to show a cube plus 1 upon a cube equal to p into p square minus. So forget about this. How we have calculated this one? If this is given from this one equal to p cube on both sides, this will get by cubing on both sides we'll be getting this one. Now expand this one, a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 a plus 1 upon a. This equal to p cube. Now you have got the answer, I think. A cube plus 1 upon a cube. Its value we have to calculate. Plus 3 a plus 1 upon a, we can put p. 3p equal to p cube. Take it on right hand side. A cube plus 1 upon a cube. How much? P cube minus 3p. Now you can get this one. Take p common out. P into p square minus 2p minus 3. You have got the answer. P square. Sorry. Is this clear? It was very easy. Just expand, you have to do the expansion. Okay, there's nothing other than this identity we could apply here. So it means such questions are given. It means that cube identity we have to apply. How to apply? Just say it. Nothing else. Okay, this is clear. Fifth one as well. Fifth one as well, I gave a hint. You have to do it. And if you don't get it, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, what is being given? A plus 2b equal to 5. And what we have to show? A cube plus 8b cube plus 2 6 30 ab equal to 125. Okay, how you can show this one? Take this one. You can see 5, its cube is 125. Here a cube, here 2b cube. So a plus 2b, the whole cube we take, cube on both sides. Now it is same as fourth question. Expand this one, a plus 2b you get, put 5 there, and you get the answer. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 5, 30 you get. Okay, solve it yourself. If you don't get it, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, this is clear. 5 cube it is. 5 cube. Sorry. Read the next one. Read the next one. Read the question. Try to do it. If a plus 1 upon a square, okay, square equal to 3, where a not equal to 0, then show that. Okay, condition is given a not equal to 0, it's always will be there. And a cube plus 1 upon a cube equal to 0, we have to show. Okay, so we all know identity which to be used, a plus 1 upon a, the whole cube. That identity we can only use. We already know. Here it is given a plus 1 upon a, the whole square. But what we need? A plus 1 upon a. We need its value. And what is being given? Square is given. So how we can get the value of 1 upon a plus 1 upon a? How we can get the value of a plus? Taking square root. Taking square root. So we'll be getting this one. A plus 1 upon a equal to plus minus root 3. Is this clear? Now solve it. Now get the value of this one. How to get this one? If we cube on both sides, So it will be how much? A plus 1 upon A whole cube equal to how much? Cube of this one plus minus 3 root 3. Solve it. Now expand this one, left hand side. So how much we are getting? A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3 A plus 1 upon A. Okay. So for time being, we can take the plus value and this minus value at last we can put. Okay. No issues with that. Equal to 3 root 3. Okay. Or else you may get confused with plus minus. Okay. So 1 plus minus we are forgetting about. Okay. So it will be A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3 A plus 1 upon A will put root 3 equal to 3 root 3. Now you guys will know. Now you can solve further. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then do the seventh one. Okay, seventh one I have to show. Okay, solve this one. Everyone solve fast. You have 1 minute. Without looking on the board, try to solve. Okay. Without looking on the board, try to solve it from the start in your notebook. Try to solve in your notebook. So, such questions we have only one identity to be used. A plus B the whole cube equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB, there in bracket A plus B. Okay. So, how to model our question so that we can use that identity. That you have to figure out. Okay. These expansions are very easy. So solve this one. Everyone have understood?
Yes, sir.
If anyone who haven't understood, sorry. If anyone who haven't understood, just let me know.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please explain it once?
Where were you earlier?
No, sir, I was trying to, but suddenly you rubbed the word.
It was way back 2-3 minutes. Riddhi, whenever you are done, ask immediately. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that we can save the time. What is given? A plus 1 upon A whole square equal to how much? 3.
3.
And what we have to show? A cube plus 1 upon A cube equal to 0. This we have to show. Okay.
Yes.
How we can get this one? For this we require A plus 1 upon A. Because we know if we cube this one, we will get A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3A plus 1 upon A. To get the value of A cube plus 1 upon A cube, we require the value of A plus 1 upon A. We require the value of A plus 1 upon A. What is given? A plus 1 upon A the whole square. So from this, you can calculate A plus 1 upon A. It will be
Root
plus
3.
minus
Root
minus
3.
root 3 or root 3 you can take. Okay, no.
Plus
Okay, now to solve this equation, we only take plus root 3. Okay, root 3 will solve. At last, we put minus sign. Okay, just put it here. It will be how much? Root 3 cube.
Yes, sir.
Its value we have to calculate. Plus 3 root 3. It will be how much? 3 root 3 equal to A cube plus 1 upon A cube plus 3 root 3. Take this side, it will be 0. So its value is 0. Understood now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, we'll be discussing one question now. Okay. Before doing 7 questions, we'll be discussing one question. Okay. So here, first one condition will be provided, okay? And through that condition, we have to prove something. We have to show something, okay? If that condition is satisfied, then we can show something. That is, if the condition is A plus B plus C equal to 0, okay? Three variables are there. If their sum is 0, that is, they may have some values. For example, take the value of sum. B is having some value and C is having some values. If for those values, if this equation is satisfied, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. If this condition is satisfied, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube, its value is equal to 3ABC. Okay. For example, you are given A value 7, B value 3, C value -10. Okay. Is this condition satisfied for these values of A? When A equal to 7, B equal to 3, C equal to -10. Is this condition satisfied? Yes. 7 plus 3 minus 10 equal to 0. If this is satisfied, it means 7 cube plus 3 cube plus, okay, it means 7 cube plus 3 cube plus minus 10 cube. Its value will be how much? We can simply write 3 into 7 into, okay, one more 3. Okay, 1 minute. 3 into 7 into 3 into -10. This we can write, okay? Now we are going to show that if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube, its value will be 3ABC. Okay? Everyone must pay attention here. Okay? So what we are given, A plus B plus C equal to 0. We'll be using this equation to show this. Okay? Okay? Now, since we have dealt with only two variables, that is A plus B square something, A plus B cube equal to something, okay? So we'll be using what we are going to do. A plus B equal to minus C. We'll be writing the equation like this, okay? Now we go to two variables here. We can cube it. Okay. You can see if someone is waiting in lobby, you all can see. Yes or no? Can you see? Okay. So A plus B, okay. I'm repeating for a minute. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, okay, three variables, for some values of three variables, if this condition holds true, then A cube plus B cube plus C cubes, its value will be 3ABC. Its value will be 3ABC. This is clear? Now we are going to prove this one. How we are going to prove this one? A plus B plus C equal to 0. This condition is given to us. It is given to us. Okay. Now we have to cube it. Since we have till now we have discussed only two variables cube. Okay. So we can rewrite this equation as A plus B equal to minus C. Okay. Now cube both sides. A plus B the whole cube equal to minus C cube. This is clear. What further we can write? A cube, expand this one, B cube plus 3AB, A plus B equal to minus C cube. Take minus outside of the cube. You already studied minus A raised to power M equal to minus A raised to power M if M is odd. We already know this one. You can as well see minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus become plus, 1 minus remains. This is clear? Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A plus b. A plus b, instead of a plus b, can we put minus c? Instead of a plus b, we will put minus c. So into minus c equal to minus c cube. This is clear? Anyone have doubt? Ask immediately. Okay.
Sir, why we put the C at the A plus
Okay.
B?
See here, 3ab we have. Here we having a plus b. Okay. If we put a plus b equal to minus c, we already know. It is more simplified form. We like the easy things, so we'll be making it more and more easy. So instead of a plus b, if you put minus c, single variable we are putting. And what we have to show, we must get 3abc. So how ab we got? How we are going to get c? You can see as well the question. If we expand this one, a cube we have got, b cube we have got, c cube here we are having. Okay, but how we are going to get 3abc? It means ab we already have. We have to do something with this a plus b. And what something we can do with a plus b? We already know here a plus b equal to minus c. So from here we'll put here. Okay, we have to get this, and how we can reach there? Okay, so it will be how much? A cube plus b cube plus, it will be minus 3abc minus c cube. Now only rearrange we have to rearrange them. Minus c cube take on left hand side, minus 3abc take on right hand side. A cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Have we proved now? This condition, this equation holds true only when a plus b plus c equal to 0. This we can only apply if some of these three variables or some of these three values is 0. Understood? Okay, I give you one question. Find the value of this one. 4 cube plus minus 6 cube. Find the value of this one. How you are going to find the value? So first check whether a plus b plus c equal to 0. Check it and solve. So here a equal to 2, b equal to 4, c equal to minus 6. Check it. If this condition is satisfied, then we can apply directly this equation. Check it. If that holds true, is that condition satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then solve and find the value. Solve. Everyone solve it. So, if this condition holds true, a plus b plus c equal to 0, that is, a will be how much? 2 plus 4 plus minus 6 minus 6. Is it 0? Yes. Therefore, we can use this equation. A cube plus, that is, okay, we can write equation b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So 2 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 6 cube will be how much? 2 into, so 3 is there, equal to 3 into a is how much? 2, 4 into minus 6. Only this much you have to do. Those who have done this one, solve this one. 9 cube minus 4 cube minus 5 cube. Solve this one and check whether that condition holds true for this one. Or anyone getting confused with minus sign here? Here we are having plus sign, here minus sign. Anyone getting confused with that? Anyone still have the doubt or haven't understood anything? Do ask. You have to solve 9 cube minus 4 cube minus 5 cube. Okay? And the form was a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Here we are having minus. Okay? How we are going to do? Okay? Is a plus b plus c equal to 0 for this equation? Is a plus b plus c equal to 0?
Yes,
Abrar, Abrar,
Yes, sir.
Abrar, find a plus b plus c value and tell me. Aditya, find the value of a plus b plus
Yes,
c.
sir.
So, see here, what is given question? 9 cube minus 4 cube minus 5 cube. How we can rewrite this one? How we can write this one? We have to get a cube. Here plus sign, here plus sign, but you are having minus sign. Can we write it like this? 9 cube plus minus 4 cube plus minus 5 cube. Can we rewrite it in this form? Ankit, is it correct or wrong? Any mistake is there? I may make mistake somewhere. You have to find and tell. Ankit, is there any mistake? Is this fine with everyone have understood? So A will be how much? 9. B will be how much? Minus 4. C equal to how much? Minus 5. So this condition holds true for these values of A, B and C. Therefore, we can use this equation. Okay, so what is the value of 9 cube minus 4 cube minus 5 cube? What is the value? 3 into 9 into minus 4 into minus 5. How much you have got? How much you have got? Calculate and tell.
540.
540. Anyone who haven't understood? If yes, then start doing 7th question. Start doing 7th question yourself. You have 2 minutes. Start doing 7th question. Read the question first. So condition is given and then something is given that we have to show. So through condition we can get to that. Read 7th question. So a condition is given a plus 2b plus c. A plus 2b plus c equal to 0. This is the condition provided to us. Okay. If this condition is true, okay, if this equal to 0, then we have to show a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube equal to how much? 6 a, B, C. This we have to show. Okay. So this condition will be used. A plus 2B plus C equal to 0. Okay. Next step will be what? Next step. We have to cube it. Before that, we have to do something. That is a plus 2b equal to minus c. This we have to do because we have only cubed two variables, sum of two variables or difference of two variables. So we will rewrite the condition in this form, a plus 2b equal to minus c. Now cube on both sides. Do the cubing on both sides. Do it, everyone. So how much you are getting? Yes, champion, tell. Do the left hand side cubing. How much you will be getting this side?
A cube
Yeah.
plus 8b cube.
8b cube, that is, okay, we write one more step. 2b cube plus 3 into a into 2b and a plus
2b.
okay, minus c cube, we can write it like this. Minus, we can take it out. We already have studied minus a raised to power m equal to a raised to power m minus sign when m is odd. This you have studied last year. Odd. Okay. So further, if we solve a cube plus 8b cube plus 6ab. Now see here, c cube we have got, 8b cube we have got, a cube we have got, 6abc we need. 6ab we have, a plus 2b we can replace with minus c equal to minus c cube. Now further you can solve. Further you can solve.
समझ में भी आ रहा है वो आगे कर देता हूँ
You have seen it. Now further you can solve a cube plus 8b cube plus, here it will be minus 6abc, a cube plus 8b cube, this equal to minus c cube. Now just rearrange, take minus c cube to left hand side and minus 6abc to right hand side, and you will prove this one. Okay. So see here now what you have to do. 8th question you have to solve yourself. Okay. Once open page number 59. Everyone open page number 59. Okay. Here 8th example is given. This property is given in 8th example. Okay. If you don't get it, you can go through that one, or else you can ask tomorrow. 8th example. It is provided there. Understood, everyone? So 8th, do it yourself. 9th as well. Okay. 8th and 9th, try to solve it. Okay. 10th, first part, try to solve. Okay, if possible, try 10th as well. Okay. If no, we will discuss that in class. So 8, 9, 10, try to do it. Okay. At least you must try. Okay. Whether you get it or not, that's not an issue. But at least you must try to do that one. Think over those questions and try to do them. This is clear? And if you are able to do the 10th, you can do the 11th as well. If you are able to solve the 10th, you will be able to solve the 11th. Okay. So try them once. Okay. At least try them once, so that it will be easy for you to understand tomorrow if you have any doubt in those questions. This is clear. 8th, 3rd we already done in class. So complete those questions till 11th. Try to solve, or else we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Like 10th, second, a raised to power 4 plus 1 a raised to power 1 upon a raised to power 4. Try to solve that one. Try to think over that. If no, we'll discuss that in class. Okay. Okay, then thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.